Oh my god. Oh shoot, girl! And you guys always call me out on it. Hello, welcome to the happiest place on the internet, girl. My name is Adelaine Morin, and today we're going to be doing a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup tutorial. So, I don't know if you know, but I'm just like a little bit in love with the color yellow, just like a little bit. So she did this one makeup look where she had yellow on her inner corners of her eyes. She had her big wavy Hollywood hair and the overdrawn lips. I'm like, huh! I'm like obsessed. We're gonna be doing that today. I'm so excited to say that today's video is sponsored by Wet n Wild. This is their new, this is so extra Pac-Man collection. And I saw the yellow literally in the middle and I was like, oh, I know what tutorial I'm doing today. So I'm gonna comb my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm curling my hair off camera because the only outlet is like right here and I want to do it in front of the mirror. It's not like as big as I wanted it to be, but she's still curly and as glowing as my $35,000 Birkin bags. Okay, I think the first thing that I want to do, I really wanted to try the lip balms. Apple and cherry. Let's do cherry. It reminds me of Wreck-It Ralph with Pac-Man. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna get a little bit on my finger. Oh, she's cherry. This is just to prep I'm not actually doing this for the lips. This is just like to prep it and make sure that they're nice and moisturized. Okay, now that our moisturizer set, I'm gonna be using a primer. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Water Drop Primer in Cucumber. Gotta make sure it's nice and stirred. Oh my god. It's green! I know you gals would like it because green covers up red. Okay, smells like cucumber too. I'm gonna be putting that all over my face right before the foundation. So normally I like to use this foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, the one that everybody loves. But they have this Photo Focus stick foundation, and I kind of want to try it. Let's do this. I never use stick foundations, oh my god. And normally I would blend it with a beauty blender, but I'm really embarrassed and I don't want to wet it all the way in the washroom over there. So I'm using the brush. And the brush absorbs less product, so we want more, you know, coverage, you know what I mean? But I hope you guys are doing well. Today we did not start the day off well. So Matt and we were spontaneously like, let's plan a trip to Hawaii. Oh my god, this is so crazy because like the background. So like, oh my god, how fun would it be if we like brought Blue? It would be so much fun. So we go to the hotel says good to go, we can bring her. We book the flight says good to go, we could bring her. And the flight's like, oh, by the way, one thing that we should mention is you should probably call Hawaii to make sure that you can actually bring your dog to Hawaii. And I'm like, I never had to do that before because normally I just bring her from like LA to Toronto. So we call Hawaii, and it turns out that they require a test that takes 30 days to complete. And then after it's completed, I think you have to wait 30 more days. And I'm like, oh, we wanted to leave like 2 days from now. So she has like her rabies and everything, but I think they want like a different test. And it's like, oh my god, this is like first world problems. But I'm just sad because now we have to get a babysitter for her. I'm like, Blue could have got lit in Hawaii, you know what I mean? In dog year, she's 24. So she's like legal drinking age. She can go out to the club. No, I'm kidding. But you know, if Blue could have went on the walks, it could have been so fun. Hawaii! Why you have this test? Why Blue is vaccinated? I mean, I get it. They said that Hawaii is like one of the 5 places in the world that like doesn't have rabies or something like that. I'm like, okay, respect. Like, why? But like, respect? Like, why? I don't know. Okay, now I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer. You guys saw me use this, and I feel like I used this like a couple videos ago. She's a dupe for a concealer that we all know and love, and I remember I really liked it. So I'm gonna put this on the high points of my face. Okay, Kylie's face is so highlighted. Like, she got the highlights, girl. So I'm gonna really go ham in this concealer. I'm actually really impressed with the foundation. I feel like I'm always like hesitant with stick foundations. She wasn't that bad. She was pretty good. I'm gonna blend it with my brush. I'm gonna go over my eyes too because I feel like that's kind of like a shadow base. Okay, now bronzer. I'm also gonna go ham with the contouring because like everything is so, the highlight, the contouring, ooh, it's really defined. Oh shoot, she was way more pigmented than I anticipated. I'm gonna get the brush and I'm gonna make kind of like a straight line because I feel like Kylie has a very sharp like contour line. But you know, other than the Hawaii thing, we're literally just realizing things in 2019. Like that Blue needs to have her things. You know, we're just realizing a lot of things. You know what I mean? We're realizing that our contour looks crazy right now. We're gonna blend it, I promise. You know, we're realizing that we're billionaires. You know, I'm realizing that you have to pay a lot of money for car insurance when you have like 20 million cars. No, but for real. Realizing lots of things in 2019. Being sarcastic, but like not being sarcastic. Okie doke. Blush. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, all of the products I'm using today will be available on wetnwild.com, including this extra PR package. You can buy it on Wet n Wild. She's a limited edition collection, so she's limited. Okay, blush. We got the Pac-Man blush. Look, she has like cherries, the little oranges, the apples. This makes my heart so happy. She has like super rosy cheeks here, like more than usual. So I'm gonna go from the apples of my cheeks and then blend it upwards towards my temple. Oh, it's not like bloop bloop, two blops, you know what I mean? But you know, other than Hawaii, I'm trying to book Blue's flight and probably having to get Blue a babysitter now. You know, life has been so good. I've been watching a lot of Netflix recently because I've been on like lots of flights. Oh my god. I've been watching a lot of Dynasty recently. Man, I've been watching it together, but like, you know when you watch a Netflix show with someone and then they like go ahead of you, like they watch an episode or a couple episodes in front of you, and you're like, what is with the disrespect recently? You know what I mean? Like, we're supposed to watch it together. And Matt was like, oh my god, you're like taking forever to watch it. I'm like, no, this is our show. You're supposed to watch it with me together. But honestly feeling a little disrespected by Matt as of recently, because he's watching our show by himself. I'm like, but yeah, for the blush, I forgot to tell you guys, I put a little bit on my cheeks, and then whatever is left on the brush, I kind of put on my forehead, a little bit on my chin just to even everything out, and then a little bit of like a cutesy look. I'm gonna put a little bit on either side of my nose. Yeah, we're really feeling the disrespect today. We're feeling the disrespect from Hawaii. We're feeling the disrespect from Matt. Thank God we don't be feeling the disrespect for Wet n towards Wet n Wild. Next up, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder, the big fluffy brush. Get in my brush. I wonder if Kylie ever watches tutorials of herself. I mean, as a billionaire, I feel like she would have better things to do, but like, you know, everybody gets bored. So Kylie, if you're watching this, I love you the most. Thank you for all that you do. You know what I completely forgot is highlight. So they have like these shimmery brown balls, I think are for contour, and they have these shimmery pink balls, which I think are for blush, but we already have that. For highlight, I want to try something new. I've never tried this before. This is a translucent, or not translucent, loose highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. It's their Hustle and Glow. Okay, so Kylie, she doesn't have like that crazy of a glow on. It's mostly like bright, you know what I mean? Not like highlight, just like bright underneath the eyes. So I'm gonna be using just a little bit because I can't live without highlighting my nose. And I feel like highlighting the nose also makes us look, we can like kind of transform our face to look more like Kylie's. So I'm gonna be taking it a little bit on the pan, and I'm gonna highlight. This is gold. She has like a silver highlight. Wait. Ooh. She's gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking, what is this called? I'm gonna be taking that shimmery color. Wait, the screen's backwards. This one. I'm gonna be using this to highlight my nose. I'm gonna go a little dot on the very tip of the nose. I know it's a little bit glittery, okay? It's a little bit glittery. Stay with me here. I'm gonna highlight the bridge of the nose. You see what I'm and then on the inner corner, even though we're gonna go over it with yellow later on, I'm gonna put, oh, so little bit on the cheekbones. Wait, let me blend her. I feel like she's not really like highlight. She's like bright. Not highlight, bright. Which I'm like not used to. Normally I just do highlight. We try new things. I always say I want to experience things and I never experience them, so I'm about to experience them. Kendall Jenner quote. And then a little bit on the cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, and then we should be good. I don't want to over glitterify myself. I always overdo it with the highlight, and you guys always call me out on it, but I just love highlight. Highlight makes your nose look, it sounded like blue. Highlight really just transforms your face. Okay, I have to admit, I did go a little bit ham. I'm gonna touch it up with the concealer and the powder. Being a billionaire is just like so hard, you know what I mean? Manifesting billionaire vibes into my life. Okay, next, brows. So I think my favorite brows from the drugstore have gotta be Wet n Wild because one, they're so affordable, and two, they are literally a dupe for like some of the expensive ones that you see for like 20-30 bucks, you know what I mean? So this is what she looks like. I'm gonna use a lighter shade for now because she has a little bit lighter brows than I do. Like my brows are literally black, and I love the way that she does like kind of like an ombre from like the light to the dark. She's always like, I feel like she's always known for that, having like an ombre eyebrow. So I'm gonna try and fill mine in like hers. Hers is it's a little bit blocky just in this certain photo. She has her high arch, unlike Kendall. Kendall's eyebrows are literally like eyebrow lift without the thousands of dollars in pain. I don't know if it's painful. I don't. Eyebrow lift with the $2,000 discount. I don't really know how much it costs, but I know how much this pencil costs. She costs $4.29 at Target, $2.57 at Walgreens. Oh, she's $4.29 on the website. Okay, so I'm trying to not like literally just avoid the middle area of the brows because I want it to be filled in with the leftover product that's on our brush, like the little spoolie. So I'm gonna brush up the brows. You see, ooh, she's a light, dark ombre. And the way that I do brows, like I kind of just do a line underneath and then a line above, and I kind of just like fill it in a little bit with like brush-like strokes, or I spoolie it. Right now I'm just like touching it up. I don't know what it is about my brows. This eyebrow, the hairs literally go like this. I don't know what it is about it. My eyebrows just like, they're not even sisters. Like they're a little bit like distant cousins, like maybe even second cousins. I don't really know. I mean, at least they're the same color, but I would be a little concerned if they were. But damn, you see her? She goes like wild. I cannot, like for years, I don't know how to tame her. I don't. Eyeshadow! I'm going to be using their eyeshadow palette, which I feel like this is my favorite thing in their collection other than the little itty bitty lip balm, because I love little itty bitty things like this. So she has like a pretty natural eye look. The only thing that's a little bit crazy is the inner corner of her eye. So I'm gonna be using this on the crease and this on the inner corner. Got it? I'm gonna take the brown shade. You can even use the bronzer. Sometimes I like to use bronzer as a crease shade because I feel like it matches obviously your contour exactly because that's what you use. But I'm just gonna put that on the crease. Use kind of like an orangey tint to it. And then I'm gonna put a little bit underneath. And move the mirror over here. Okay, so I mostly just put the brown eyeshadow on the crease, a little bit on the outer corners of my lids, and then underneath my eyes. I want to be a little extra. I want to put a little bit of the highlight on the inner corner of my eye. She didn't really have that, but I just want to like open up my eyes and make them look a lot brighter because hers are a lot bigger than mine. Like so. I'm getting this itty bitty brush. This is my favorite part. This is gonna like transform the whole look. And we're gonna be taking the yellow shade. Tap off the excess. Do not blow on it because that bacteria. I'm gonna be putting the yellow on the inner corner of the eye. And if you guys want, you can put like a white underneath to really make it pop. But I feel like we kind of did that with like the little shimmery eyeshadow. Ah! Yellow, my heart feels warmer. Okay, I don't know if you guys watch my vlogs. Andre is one of my best friends here in LA. And him, Meg, and I, Meg is my roommate. We were all in my room. We were like having like a singing session. And for some reason, we were just like, I think we were tired and delirious. We started singing Yellow in like an indie accent or indie style. And Andre was like, yellow, my heart feels warm. Like, I can't do it. He's so good at it and it sounded so good. I'm like, better than the original, okay? My heart feels warmer when I see the color yellow. I can't do it. He's like, welcome to my kitchen. I have bananas and avocados. It was so dumb, but it was like so funny. Oh, she's cute. I believed in this yellow. I believed in her and she succeeded. She went beyond my expectations. Everybody be letting me down today. Hawaii be letting me down today. Matt be letting me down today. But this yellow, she is not yet letting me down today. My heart feels warmer when I see the color yellow. She's from Wet n Wild Pac-Man collection. She's like, hello, uh-oh. I can't. This is like so cringy. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop. I feel like saying the word cringy makes it even cringier. Like, I don't like the word cringy. What should I say? It was so bad. I need to stop. Okay, anyway. Now, liner. Okay, this is one of my favorite eyeliners from the drugstore. I used to buy this non-stop. Like, I would literally wear this like every single day in high school because one, it was so affordable. Two, I was obsessed with like liquid liners. The like liquid like felt tip. Is that what it felt tip? But she's like an actual liquid liner. I'm so excited. This just reminds me of high school. I literally wore this and mascara like every single day in high school, and like my foundation would just like rub off because I never wore primer. All right, so Kylie has a wing on, so we're gonna try and do that. Oh, I missed a little. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So the way that I do eyeliner a little bit weird. I like to start with the wing, and then I go to the middle, and then I make my way to the inner corner. You're supposed to start in the middle, make your way out, and then do the wing, and then make your way to the inner corner, but I kind of do it all like a little bit weird. I don't know. I just feel like the wing is the most pressure. If you mess it up, then the whole thing is messed up, so I would just like to get the wing out of the way. That way, if you mess it up, you could just like erase it, and then like you didn't ruin everything. Okay, I'm like happy about this wing. I feel like she kind of goes to the middle of the eye for the eyeliner, so I'm just gonna go very small line from the middle of the eye to the wing. And this is really gonna like open up your eyes and make your eyelid look a lot bigger. Kylie has eyelash extensions just like me. I can't speak. I've had so much coffee today. Kylie has eyelash extensions just like me, so like that's just what I'm going on with. But if you want, you can add some false lashes. You can look cute. I always make sure to go like, make sure I don't have like too much product. Oh, this literally feels like high school. It's weird that like a product can like bring you back, or like a smell can just bring you back. I don't know if I messed it up. I think we did it. I think we saved her. Okay, I like that. Okay, now since we have eyelash extensions, I'm only gonna be putting mascara on the bottom. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara, and I'm gonna be getting that, and I would just want to put it on the bottom. I like to use volumizing mascara on my bottom because like I don't really like lengthening, because sometimes I feel like my bottom eyelashes can look longer than my top, and I'm like, Personally, I don't like that. It's like I look like an actual doll, and like not in a good way, like a creepy doll, like the doll from Toy Story, like really scary, like has bodyguards. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these eyes. I want to like wear this out every day. I'm really impressed with the yellow. I feel like a lot of yellows, especially from the drugstore, are really hard to find. Like they don't really show up. Trust me, out of all people I know, that yellow is a really hard color to make. And I feel like Wet n Wild, they knew that it was good. They're like, you know what? Our yellow is so good. We can put it in the middle. She's the biggest one on a whole pan. And I'm like, I'm really impressed with the yellow. Okay, all that's left is lips. Wet n Wild has these lippies. Oh my god. They have these lips, but it's just like not the vibe. It's not the color that I want. I want like a mauve color, even though these are really funky and fresh, which I forgot to show you guys. Look at this. So it has, Wet n Wild has an eyeshadow brush and a powder brush, and then nail polish. Like, I just want to show you the brushes really quick because it has yellow in it. I forgot about it. I can't believe I should have used it in the tutorial. My nails are really out here preventing me from living my best life. You know what I want to talk about? I want to talk about getting my credit card out of those machines. Yesterday, Matt and I went to the mall and I put in my credit card to pay for my parking, and I was like, I can't get my credit card out, Matt. Can you please get my credit card out? It was so embarrassing. I don't know what I would have done if Matt was in there. I would have been like, do I ask another person to take out my credit card? That's what you gotta do for the nails. Mine are sunflowers right now, but these are the brushes. Oh my God! They're like little Pac-Mans, like going, Okay, getting back to the tutorial. Lip. First off, I'm gonna be lining my lips with a lip liner. And you guys know the signature Kylie look, so I'm gonna be overlining my lips. How I do it is I line my lips like regular all the way around, and then I just go over my lips, over the line. I like to go a little bit above my cupid's belt and a little bit underneath, overlining so it looks like, oh my God, I'm so pouty. Okay, I think we need to go with this one. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in Send Nudes. Well, we're Kylie today. We're billionaires and we do not send nudes. I mean, maybe she has. Let women do what they want with their bodies, but like, if I was Kylie Jenner, I'd be so scared to send a nude. We are the Kardashians. We have rules. We are millionaires and billionaires. I don't know if Kris Jenner's gonna let Kylie send a nude, so we're just gonna use this nude lipstick. For now, we're sending nudes through the lipstick. They're like, send nude. I'm like, send a picture of my lipstick. Now, Kylie's lips, they are matte. This is glossy. So I wanna try something. I've never tried this before. I don't even know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna get powder and go over top of it. Good, I don't even know if this is gonna work. I've only seen it done on those hack videos. I don't actually know if it works. You know how you're like, you see those hack videos and you're like, does that really work? I heard toilet paper, they use tissue paper, and I know tissue paper is like a lot slimmer, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see if this works. And if it doesn't, then we'll just have shiny lips, you know what I mean? Oh my God, it kind of worked! A little bit. Wait, I want to try it without the tissue paper. I feel like it kind of just like took it off. She kind of worked. You know what? I'll take it. It kind of worked. I love that. I love that for us. Okay, anyway, so I did a Dove Cameron makeup tutorial like maybe like the other week, and she always does like this kind of ombre lip, so it kind of like is darker on the outside and it gets lighter on the inside, and I found that it made my lips look so much bigger. So I'm gonna be taking, this is kind of like a darker lipstick. It's called Cedar Later, I think that's how you say it. I'm gonna put that on the outside of the lips. You know what? We're gonna be taking the Pac-Man brush and she's working. I feel like doing this just makes your lips look so big and pouty. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer parts of my lips and blend it with the brush. The brush is a synthetic brush, which is very amazing for liquid. Hi, Boo. Boo, you wanna be in a video? How was your walk? Did you have a good walk? Oh, she's panting. That's how you know it was a good walk. Woo! Oh, baby! Oh, baby! Where'd your ears go? There they are! Do you like my makeup? Do I look like Kylie? Can you be, what's her dog's name? Kermit? Hermie? Something E. Stormy? She's my Stormy.
Stormy's a kid, isn't it?
Yeah. But, oh my God! I'm like almost done. Okay, I just want to set it. Perhaps set refresh. Okay, I'm gonna be using, this is their Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. Okay, I'm gonna be setting it with this. Oh, she smells like coconut. It's my favorite smell in the world. I feel like I'm already in Hawaii. Blue's like, are you guys seriously ditching me for Hawaii? Blue, you're not allowed. You need your, what shot? Blue, you need your Sabin shot, whatever that is. But that is the makeup tutorial. She's wearing like a black hoodie, like a zip-up hoodie, which we love, but I want to be glam today, so I'm like wearing this. But this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Again, thank you so much to Wet n Wild for sponsoring today's video. With their new Pac-Man collection, which I'm like obsessed with. But if you guys want any of the things that I use in the tutorial today, I'll be linking it down below. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. Now I'm off to my private jet on my way to the Maldives with my daughter Stormy. This is my baby Stormy. She is my world. Okay, Blue, do you hate me that much? She's like, can I go on the floor? Blue, say thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to see any Hawaii vlogs or anything fun like that, then make sure to go head over to my vlog channel, because I do basically daily vlogs Monday to Friday. I mean, we skip a couple days, but like we try. And I think it'll be really fun for you guys to watch. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next weekly video every Sunday. I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day. Bye. I can't like cover in the lens because it's like so far away. Have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day.